Welcome to this Drees home. This is the Grantley. Loving the floor plan, like the 3-car split garage. This thing is 4431 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths. Does have a half bath. And this is available in 6 different communities all across DFW. So we'll put that down in the description below if you're interested in this plan. Take a look at this entryway.
We've got this nice little catwalk that you can see up here and these very tall ceilings.
Yeah, now this thing has been just reduced $50,000, which is nice. It's under $1 million, which is again nice. But as you come in, right to your right is your office.
It's bigger than it looks.
I like the space. One of the things I'm a little not concerned with, but just seems like it's not what we're used to and seen in a Drees home, would be like the old French door kind of style. But I mean, some people may prefer that, I don't know. But it's just interesting that you don't normally see that. And then you come over here and you've got a nice sized room right here. And it's got its own ensuite. This would be a great, like, older kids room off the front of the home. And it's got its own ensuite with a shower, drop-in shower.
That's very nice. Pretty tile that they used. Good size. They do the handles on the cabinets, which I love. And then right there is your single car garage.
And then over here, you've got your 2-car garage. You've got your mud area as well as your laundry area. Now look at this laundry room, Patrice.
Got your washer dryer, and then you've got a nice sink.
And obviously it goes down to your primary closet, which is nice.
I love that. Yeah, look at all the cabinetry in here. This is fantastic.
Yeah, I really like this floor plan.
I do too.
But its location
It's
and this
questionable.
particular development is not what I would recommend to my client. Right here, there's probably a good spot for your Christmas tree.
Yes, and then look at how tall these ceilings are, and they've kind of come in a circle. It's really pretty.
Yeah, I like that. If you put some design or something, you know, that could be really cool. And then you've got your kitchen. You've got double ovens, microwave. You've got KitchenAid appliances, 6-burner cooktop. Your drawers comes with hardware, just like Drees likes to do. So there is a lot to like about this. I like how it has the stacked cabinets.
Yeah, it's really a pretty kitchen. You've got a lot of counter space right here for if you want to entertain and put out a spread for everybody.
Yep, and then it has your Costco approved snack closet.
Very good.
Look at this island, it's big.
It's really big.
It's like a big square, I like it. You know, it's definitely like a 4-bed island.
I also like how they did the top, like around up here. It kind of, even though it's an open concept, it makes it feel like it's a different part of the house, which I like.
You do have cabinetry underneath.
Oh, good. More storage.
Yeah, so you put all those, I don't know what you put in there.
Maybe your Christmas dishes.
There you go,
Yeah.
there you go. I was gonna say China, but then I don't know if people even do that
I don't
anymore.
know
Is that a thing? All right, so here it is, your fireplace. Like how it's centered in the room, like the mantle. Again, I would have put the tile all the way up. I do like the beam, and I do like how open this is right here. You can support a huge table right here.
Yeah, this is a very big space.
Yeah.
Very big space. And then I do like the beam too. I had to show that. I hadn't shown that. And then those tall ceilings, and then just all those windows.
Now, if I was going to build this plan, like if I fell in love with this plan, I wouldn't recommend this particular house only because of the location, but people seem to like it because there's several on this street and they're all sold, so who am I? But I like the fireplace, I like this patio.
Yeah, but you're looking right there at the middle school, and then this street is loud, and I imagine it's only gonna get louder.
Yeah, You know, so you've got your gas. So you put your outdoor kitchen here, all that good stuff. You've got a good sized side yard on this particular house.
Yeah, that's nice. See, it's interesting. I don't know. I mean, like we said, there's a bunch of houses on this street, so it doesn't bother everybody.
Yeah. Let us know in the comments below if this would be a deal killer for you or not. You know, from as a real estate agent, you know, if you think about resale at all, it may not bother you, but it's going to be harder to sell. And so you really got to get a good value in order to make it work.
But look at the cute little powder bath right here. They've even done like the wainscoting and then.
Yeah, that is cool.
Cute
I like that. That would be kind of a cool, it's kind of masculine kind of feel to it. Hey, look at this. You can put like your coffee maker right here.
Oh yeah, that's very good.
Yeah.
And then, oh, I like the way they did the ceiling. These are high ceilings too.
High ceilings. I like how they have that tray like you were talking about.
Huge. It's a huge room.
Yeah, I would probably put a bigger chandelier type there. It could support it. This room's huge.
Yeah, that is kind of tiny, huh?
And then you come off, and then look at this, Patrice. It's got my car wash shower.
Oh, this is amazing. Oh my gosh.
I like this. It's got the car wash shower, but no niche.
Huh.
And you know what's interesting is you've got your shower heads here, and the only spot for your soap is like down here. So you have to get out of the water, you know what I mean? Like, it's kind of weird. I don't understand why you don't put a niche right here.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
it is interesting, but I don't know. I guess you just have to put one of those standalone ones that you buy, you know?
Yeah, but if you are building, you can obviously do that.
Now here's one of the closets. Just a fairly small closet.
You got your soaking tub right here, and then I do like, even though they're not split, you do have plenty of counter space. I do like all the drawers. These are really nice.
That is really nice, all the drawers. I like that too.
They're soft close, they're nice.
Another place for another coffee pot if you want.
Yeah, but this one doesn't have a plug.
You can okay.
Okay, and then here is the other one. This one, look at this. This is the one that goes into the laundry, but look at this, Patrice. It's already got
so nice.
built-in drawers and all that good stuff. So that's
very
really
nice,
nice.
yeah.
I like this. I like this floor plan. It's really practical.
It's a beautiful house.
Like I
They've
said,
done a beautiful job.
This is the Grantley, and it's available to build in 6 different communities. You can check them all down in the description below. So this channel is not always about this particular house. It's about showing you guys what's out there, because not everybody wants the model, right? And the model homes are always the most popular. We're just trying to showcase real life, real houses, real prices, show you what is out there. So let's go upstairs.
Now we come up to a really nice size game room with some windows, and I like the ceiling.
Yep.
It's a great space.
This is a big square. It's
Yeah.
fantastic. I mean, you can put a big pool table here and still have like bar stools and all that stuff, and kind of do everything you want. And then here is your media room. So they've got a place to where your TV would probably go there, although they have it set up for a projector. It's interesting because if you're setting it up for a projector, you'd want to get rid of these things because, I mean, what size screen are you?
Yeah, you'd want it bigger. All those things you can do later if you need to, but yeah, it is interesting that they didn't put them on the sides.
Yeah. Hit that dream home below. Let's not make these mistakes in your dream home. Come on over. Let's take a look at these rooms up here. One thing that I will say is I like they've got like a homework section on this, in this. It's really cool. But look at this room. This is big. This is a big room. Loving this. If I was a kid, I would love this thing.
Holy moly, you're not kidding. And then you've got a nice sized closet, it
Yeah,
looks
it's got
like.
a walk-in closet.
And it goes all the way around past the door there. And then they've got their own bathroom with a bathtub. This is I really do like this floor plan.
I do too.
This is very livable, very family friendly.
Yeah, this is a great family home. Because look at right here. You've got a nice, you put some built-in desk right here. This could be their homework section.
Oh yeah.
However
This
you
is
want to
really
design
nice.
it, But I do like this space. You've got a linen closet right here. And then you've got your upstairs full bathroom that supports this room. And again, this room is a big room with a big, nice walk-in closet. So
Oh, it is big. Oh my
plenty
goodness.
to like about this house. I just don't like the location of it in this particular neighborhood. So anyway, let us know what you guys think about this Grantley here by Drees Homes. Like I said, it's built in 6 different communities. Hit the description below if you want to see where. And when the time is right for you guys to make your move, whether it's 2 weeks, 2 months, or a year, when you guys are ready, hit the Dream Home form below. Let's start the conversation. Teresa and I will handle you personally ourselves. We put out videos just like this every single day at 5 p.m. touring the best houses that we could find, best deals out there in North Texas. And until tomorrow at 5 p.m., I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.